Hello, guys. I am a cabin crew. I can't wait. We're going to New York City, and I love New York City. All right, let's go. I don't have to go to. I don't have to check myself because I'm just, I'm just a crew and I'm just a cabin crew. All right, cool. So I am at gate 7. I can't wait. So I'm going to be at the Robloxian to New York, and then Robloxian. Like I'm only gonna have 3 routes today. Most of the time it's 2, but today is just 3. Hey, at least it's not 4. Don't want that. So these are like the people I'm gonna have, and then other people are gonna wait and all that stuff. All right, start boarding. I could have used a bigger plane, but I decided to use this small plane because it's very hard. It's very hard doing the big plane. Uh, it. Oh, you got a little dog. Yeah, that's. I'm not even gonna talk about it, to be honest. Please buckle your seatbelt. Hide that tray, please. Right. So I'm gonna be early, to be honest. I'll try to be early. Right, I'm on time. Push back. All right. I was gonna just click pick. I was gonna pick skip taxi color. If you skip the taxi, it will go quicker. But I just want you guys to see the process. It's a very realistic progress. So, we have an oxygen mask. We have a seatbelt closed. We have a life jacket. We have seatbelt open, and yeah, just normal stuff. Like just normal emergency stuff that most cabin crews have. And yes, I am the only cabin crew in this airplane. So yeah, I am a very fast worker though. So I will get things done. Make you guys see what's going on. I hope it doesn't crash like last time, but talk about that later. All right, it's gonna take a while. It says, "Please be seated." All right, I'm seated. Good. It just said to please be seated. I wonder what will happen if you're not seated. I wonder how. I wonder why. Right, look at the clouds. They're so puffy. They look like cotton candy. I want to eat them up. I love being a cabin crew. Right, it's time for serving. Right. Ma'am, do you want... Oh, I thought it was a Karen. I was going to say. But Karens don't happen until like the end of the flight. Well, close to the end of the flight. Here's your pistols. A lot of bathrooms. Alright, we're going to get some turbulence, guys. But don't worry, that won't stop me.
Molly, wake up. It's time for school. No, I can't go to school. No, school.
Oh, what the freak?
Wake up. It's time for school. I can't go. I'm too sick. Molly, you're making that up. I don't believe you. You're just trying to skip school today. No, seriously. I'm not trying to...
Everybody, calm down, calm down. It's just some turbulence. Don't worry. We'll all be safe and calm. It's not going to be a crash. Don't panic, don't panic.
I'll have breakfast ready in the kitchen. I really don't feel good. My stomach hurts.
Don't worry, it will return normal.
Achoo!
Right. Thanks for everybody for being calm.
Mommy, I hear you snoring. Get out of bed.
All right.
Mom, I really can't go to school today. Molly,
All right, let me get your trash. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. The pet. Ah, what the freak? I'm sorry. It was such a handful.
Seriously, Molly? Here, let me feel your forehead. Wow, you do feel like you have a fever. You weren't lying, were you? No, Mom, you really... Achoo! Don't feel good. Okay, Molly, well, you'll lay back down, okay? Okay, Mom. Do I have to go to school today? No, Molly, you don't have to go to school. Okay. Ugh.
Right, let's see. How early is the arrival supposed to be? All right. It says 5, and it is 3 o'clock, so we're gonna have to hurry up. I love being a cabin crew. Being a cabin crew is just so peaceful.
Time to wake up for school. Aren't you excited?
Well, once there's no problems and there's no Karens, I really hope we don't get a Karen. He'll be such a handful.
School. I do, but... Achoo! I'm not...
Ah, what the freak? What the freak? Oh,
No!
oh.
Don't tell me you and Mommy.
Oh, we're just landing. Guys, we're just landing. It's okay. We're just landing.
No, your sister's not making it. She has a fever. Oh, no. Daisy, you want some orange juice? Yes, please.
We're almost there. We're almost skip taxi. All right, cool. See how fast that was?
You get lots of rest now.
All right.
Check on you.
Okay. Let's see. Open this door.
Oh, baby Kira, you're already awake and you look like you're in a good mood. Thank goodness you're my one
Open up.
isn't sick.
All right, gonna open these up. Boom.
Oh, no, not you too.
Cool down.
Not being sick yet as the others, but it looks like you just caught it.
Let's go. Got me some money. All right, close.
Don't you get back in your crib and try to rest.
All right, more people coming.
That's right, baby Kira. All right, I'm gonna get you some orange juice. Stay there.
All right, gonna come out to you. Right.
That's right, orange juice. Here you go, sweetie. You get some
Welcome.
rest. I can't believe
Welcome
all
to the
of my
fight.
kids are sick
We're glad to have
today.
you here.
Oh my
Welcome. We're welcome to have you here. We're glad to have you here.
Too quick for you.
Welcome. We're glad to have you here. We're glad.
Doing?
Welcome.
Playing some
We're
piggy
glad to
bank.
have you here.
Molly, you're sick.
Welcome.
You should be in bed resting.
Welcome. Alright, cool.
So boring, Mom. Do I have to? Yes, Molly. No video games if you're home from school. But it's not my fault I'm sick. Achoo! Molly, back in bed, please. Okay, fine. Oh, man. Being sick is so boring. Good. That was pretty good orange juice. All right, Molly, back into bed. You'll never get better if you're playing piggy video games all day. Yeah, I guess you're right, Mom. The brightly colored unicorn, the brightly colored unicorn. Cooking, you're just a stuffed animal unicorn, or you catch my cold. But you're just a stuffed unicorn, not the real thing. Molly, what are you doing out of bed? I'm playing with my brightly colored unicorn. She was getting lonely. Molly, you can take your brightly colored unicorn in bed with you and snuggle, but you're not allowed to play right now. You need to be in bed resting. But it's so boring. Do I have to stay in bed, Mom? Well, how about this? You can go out on the couch and watch a movie, but you have to stay on the couch and rest. Really? Watch a movie? Anything I want? Sure, Molly. I'll bring you some more orange juice, okay? Thanks, Mom. Achoo! Mom says I can watch some TV because I'm just getting like really bored right now. Oh, cooking, no.
Alright, there's gonna be light turbulence for a couple minutes. Don't panic. It's just like turbulence.
Achoo! Hi, buddy. I got feeling so good. Me either. You got me sick. What? No, I didn't. You got me sick. No, you got me sick. No, you got me sick. I don't want to watch this movie. I'd rather watch the cooking channel. Too bad. I was here first. Are you girls gonna argue all day? I think I might need a vacation. Yeah, right. You're a mom. You never get a vacation. Mom, I want some orange juice too. I already thought of that. That orange juice was delicious. I know, right? My body is like hurting and I feel cold and I have a headache. Achoo! Baby, Kira, make sure you cover your nose when you sneeze. Yeah, well, it's not like we all don't all have it. I know, Marty, but still. Ew.
Does anybody have a pet? We do have some babies. So.
Baby here, you're so cute. Okay, sit on this couch over here and just relax, okay?
Do we have any pets though?
Okay, good girl.
Alright, it seems like we don't have any pets, which is good.
Oh my gosh, all my kids are sick. That's exactly what I'm thinking. Oh my gosh, all of my kids are sick. Achoo! Mom, did you just sneeze? No, I'm fine. No, Mom, you definitely just sneezed. Yeah, I heard it too. No, I'm fine. Achoo! Oh no, Mom, you caught it too. Oh no, I do sort of have a headache. All right, Mom, let me see if you have a fever. Oh my gosh, Mom, you're burning up. Here, you better get on the couch next to baby Kira. I'll get you some orange juice. Molly, you're still sick. Actually, I'm better.
Boo 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 boo.
She caught whatever we had. It's really sad. Okay, I'm gonna take this orange juice to my mom. Oh, I don't feel so good. Here, Mom, drink this. You'll feel so much better. Well, Marty, looks like we're gonna be home from school all day. Yeah, looks like Mom's gonna be home from work too. She doesn't look so good. Achoo! I can't believe I caught what you girls have. Baby Kira thinks that's kind of funny. Baby Kira.
Alright, skip taxi. Am I early? It's supposed to be 8. No, I'm not early. No, I'm not early. What? I'm not early. It's supposed to be 8 p.m. It's 10 p.m.
Enough blueberry muffins for everyone. Now I'm just gonna stir in some milk, some butter. Perfect. Now I'm gonna bake them.
Alright. Everybody, open up. I'm not.
Set my oven to 375. And wait. Now I think I'll go brush my teeth while I'm waiting. 'Cause I don't have to stand like right there. Although I don't want to burn them because that would be horrible. I'd be so sad. Brushing my teeth, brushing my teeth. Where is everybody anyway? Oh my gosh, guys. So, my mom.
Wait, hold it. Boomerang. What does that mean?
And I could hear her snoring in my bathroom.
Oh, alright. That was the best day ever. Now let's go to my hotel and peacefully fall asleep. Today was a tiring